Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Watch D2 to an iPhone. First, you'll need to download the Huawei Health app directly from the Apple App Store. Make sure your iPhone's Bluetooth is turned on and ready. Also, ensure your Huawei Watch D2 has at least 20% battery charge to avoid interruptions during the setup. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful connection process. Once the app is installed, open it and go to the Devices tab. Here, you will tap Add Device and then choose your Huawei Watch D2 from the available options. Your iPhone will then send a pairing request to the watch. Simply confirm this request on both your iPhone and directly on your watch's screen to establish the connection. It's a straightforward process. After successful pairing, the app will prompt you to grant essential permissions. These are crucial for the Huawei Health app to track your data effectively. Take some time to personalize your watch faces and adjust notification preferences directly within the app. Allow a few minutes for the initial data synchronization to complete, ensuring all your health and fitness information transfers smoothly to your iPhone. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your iPhone and the Huawei Watch D2 often resolves them. Always ensure that both the Huawei Health app and your watch's firmware are updated to their latest versions for optimal performance. For a consistently stable connection, try to keep your iPhone and watch within close proximity, ideally within 10 meters, during use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.